Hi guys, Tim Meevasin here, and I'm going to go over how to reverse sear a perfect ribeye. So I have these super fat 2+ inch cut ribeyes that are bone in, and I'm basically setting myself up so I can get the best internal temp on these guys. So the number one rule for cooking any protein is making sure that I'm not working with a cold piece of meat. So these guys have been sitting out for about 30 minutes, salt, pepper, and they've just been relaxing, and I'm actually going to transfer these guys onto a baking sheet, and I'm gonna bake them at about 250 for about an hour. And then once I pull them out, there should be at about 110, 115 internal temp. And I'm gonna finish them in a super, super hot cast iron pan. We're gonna get an awesome sear in it. I'm gonna baste it with a little bit of garlic and butter, and we're gonna let it rest and slice it. To go with our ribeyes, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make a quick wild mushroom sauce. Just gonna break down these creminis. Once I have a nice pile, I can go straight to my prep bowl. So I have some cremini mushrooms, which are basically baby portobello mushrooms. I have some shiitake mushrooms, which are very earthy, love the flavor. I also have some oyster mushrooms, a little more delicate, and some chanterelles. We're gonna go through, break all these down, and get them ready for our saute pan. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of grapeseed oil, and I'm gonna finish it, of course, with just a little dab of butter. You guys can hear that sizzle. And I just wanna make sure I do a single layer. I don't wanna overcrowd my pan, or else it's gonna steam the mushrooms versus actually getting a nice crust on there and getting that flavor that I'm after. All I need for mushrooms, a little bit of coarse salt, a little bit of pepper. We'll let these guys kind of just do their thing. I don't have to constantly stir. Give it about 30 seconds. We'll move it around and I'll show you the color that we're after. So my mushrooms have been cooking for just a couple of minutes, and this is the color that I'm after. I got a nice little crust on all of it. No steam because I cooked it properly, single layer, and I'm just gonna do this in a few batches and start my sauce. Now I have my mushrooms nice and caramelized. I am basically gonna make a sauce right in the pan. I'm just gonna take a little bit of flour, all-purpose flour, just to grab any of the residual fat that's in the pan. And I'm basically gonna just cook this down, and I'm making a roux out of the fat and the flour in the pan so that when I add my stock and my marsala wine, I have a nice thick consistency. A little bit of marsala, which is a fortified wine. There's a little bit of sugar in there, but it pairs great with the earthiness of the mushrooms. Our ribeyes are out of the oven now, and they should have an internal temperature of about 110 to 115. I have some grapeseed oil, some neutral high heat oil. I'm just gonna do a small amount. And with the sear, it is important not to touch the ribeye once I have it in the pan. So once I get my oil evenly distributed, you guys can see a little smoke there. I am just going to place my ribeye and not touch it for a solid minute. So it's been about a minute now. I'm just gonna check my ribeye and see if I got that crust on the bottom that I'm after. And I most definitely did. But this is, you wanna treat your cast iron just like a grill. If you are trying to pull something and it's not releasing, it's just because that crust hasn't formed yet or the pan wasn't hot enough. So you always want to start super hot and make sure you give it enough time for that natural crust to develop before you flip. I'm going to do the same thing, about a minute on this side. I'm going to let the ribeye rest for just about 10, maybe 15 minutes before I carve, and we're going to enjoy. And the very last step I have is I'm going to do what's called a butter baste. Just going to throw in some fresh garlic cloves, a little bit of butter. Once this all melts with the beef fat, I am just going to sit here and baste my ribeye in all this garlic butter while it rests in the last cooking stage. Here's the fruits of our labors. We have 2 beautifully seared, reverse seared ribeyes that are bone in. I had the asparagus that I poached and sauteed, the wild mushroom sauce that I put together, and just want to show you guys quick little plating. So just have 2 plates here, and I basically gonna take my ribeye. It is bone in right here, so with a paring knife, I'm just gonna go through and actually remove the bone so that I can get to my main cuts, and I'll save that to gnaw on later. So just 1 smooth cut, and I should be able to go right through this little guy here, and then we can check the color. I'm actually gonna fan these guys right out, right on top of some truffled mashed potatoes that I made, so that the mashed potatoes can soak up any of that beautiful sauce and juice that comes out. I'm just gonna spoon a little bit of my sauce right on top, and I'm just gonna finish with some beautiful spears of the asparagus. Keep everything nice and clean. Thank you guys for watching. Chef Tim here again. If you guys liked the video or learned anything fun, please share, like, and subscribe. And as always, I hope you guys are having fun in the kitchen with hopefully a sharp knife and cold beer. Thank you.